Here is Candace explaining why this matters.
Elected Erica Kirk to be the CEO, and none of the donors have come forward questioning the decision. Why does it matter? The donors that contacted you are more than capable of contacting Blake, she continued. Okay, I can answer that. I can answer why it matters. It matters because if it was in fact an AI audio and Erica was referring to an AI video clip, which they in the end decided not to use, this would tell us exactly who and what Erica Kirk is, okay? It would put to rest any lingering questions that some people may have in the background if we are able to determine that she colluded to create a fake AI voice of her husband, announcing her to take over his company.
So Candace is correct. If Erica knows that this is an AI generated video and intentionally manipulated it in order to increase her status and credibility as the CEO of Turning Point USA, then that points to something sinister and dark. And it was never even needed